To understand why PyPy is fast, we must understand why standard Python is relatively slow. The first stage of CPython is compilation, where it converts your code into bytecode files. The CPython virtual machine reads that bytecode line by line, and it executes it immediately. The interpreter is a generalist, and it asks if the variables are integers or strings every time. It asks these questions every single time, even if that code is inside a loop running 1,000,000 times. PyPy is not just a library, and it is a replacement written in restricted Python. The secret weapon is the just-in-time compiler, which watches your code as it runs. It looks for hot spots or blocks of code that are executed frequently. PyPy identifies a hot loop, and it turns it into raw machine code for the hardware. PyPy starts as a simple interpreter, and it counts how many times a function is called. When the code becomes hot, the system enters tracing mode to record every operation. The system realizes that in this specific loop, the variables are always integers. PyPy takes that trace and optimizes it by removing all the generalist questions. It compiles that trace directly into binary code, which your hardware understands natively. PyPy inserts guards, which are quick checks to see if the variable types have changed. If the types change, the system bails out and goes back to the slow interpreter. CPython performs 10,000,000 type checks, while PyPy performs only a few thousand. The just-in-time compiler takes some time to warm up before it becomes extremely fast. PyPy is faster for long-running tasks, but it might be slower for short scripts. The compiler turns your script into a powerhouse just in time.